So as you can see, we're now on account 1 and we have 200,000 reputation tokens. And what we do now is we get Gov tokens out of these reputation tokens by transforming them. Now if we refresh the page, we're going to see that the new balance is 200,000 Gov tokens. The next thing we want to do is to create a new account, because I want to show you the delegation process. So we created account 2 now, and what we have to do is we have to take the address of the account 2 and transfer from account 1, I mean not transfer but delegate from account 1 to account 2 100 tokens. Okay, so once we have the account 2, we send him now 100 tokens. And let's switch to account 2. You're gonna see that down there on the delegation tab, account 2 has 100 tokens. Okay, and he now has 100 tokens. The thing about delegation is that people can also refund the delegated tokens, as long as the delegatee has enough tokens in his balance. So now we're going to refund our 100 delegated tokens. Now we should have again 200,000 of tokens. Now using the Fin4 system, I'm going to create 2 tokens for the demo. This is the first token, and now we're going to create another token. For the token curation system, it's not relevant what type of actions we use. We just care about adding the token to the list. So next we are going to do an application. So we click the apply button, deposit, and in the data field we can put an IPFS link. So this has been done from account 1 now. And now we want to switch to account 2. So that we can vote here. Exactly, to the vote. So 1 means for accepting in a list, 0 for not accepting, and then the salt, you can put any number. It's used like a password for your vote. Okay, now we send the request. As you see, we just got an error. This error happened because we did not commit in the commit period. So the period expired. It was set for the demo purposes for just 1 minute. So we were not able to commit our vote. Now we wait. I'm gonna speed up so that you don't have to wait a whole minute. And now, as the time is over, I can update the status of this token, and it's going to be excluded from the list because no one was able to vote. I was too slow. Now let's do it again, and this time I'm going to be faster. Okay, now the application has been done. I switch to account 2 and refresh. Now I can vote. So I'm going to vote for keeping it, and I'm going to stake 50 tokens from account 2. And now I'm going to switch to account 3. And from account 3, I'm going to vote against. So I click again vote, and now I use the option 0. I put a salt, and I stake 20 against the proposed token. Okay, now the commit period should be already over because it's just 1 minute. Now I can reveal. So in reveal, I put the option that I chosen and the sort. So from account 3, I'm going to put 0 and 0. And now from account 2, from where I voted for keeping it, I will put 1, 1. Okay, now we wait for the reveal period to end. The reveal period in this case is also 1 minute. So now it's over. I updated. And the token is there and ready to be challenged. In the third scenario, we're going to challenge from account 3. So in the data field again, we can put an IPFS document where we state the reason why we challenge these tokens and why it shouldn't be in the list of accepted tokens, why the community should not further support this token. Now we're going to change to account 2, and let's assume that account 2 now also wants to exclude these tokens. So he votes 0, which means exclusion from the list of accepted tokens. it was too late for account 1 to vote um, for not excluding it because the commit time was already over, and account 2 can now reveal. Again, using the vote option and the chosen salt password, so to say. Now I'm going to speed up the review period so that we can update. Okay, now that we updated the entry, we can see that the token is not in the list anymore. It has been successfully removed. In the fourth part, we're going to do a reparameterization from account 1. So we want to change the min deposit for the registry to be 200 instead of 100. So we make the proposal. For this proposal, obviously we paid this p-min deposit. And now we switch to account 2. And we can see that now we can challenge it. So we challenge this proposal. If we would not challenge, then it would be accepted by default. But we are challenging it now. Okay, and now there's a commit period. And we switch to account 3. And we're going to vote that the parameterization should be done. So for this, we're going to vote 1 and put some salt and stake. Now I'm going to speed up again. And let's reveal. Now I'm going to speed up again as the p-reveal stage length is 70 seconds. Okay, and now we can update. And once updated, the parameters of the registry have been updated, namely the min deposit is now 200. And this can be done with any other parameter. Thank you.